Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, just finished, we've got some lovely chicken in a nice chili tomato red bean sauce. It's very, very easy, fantastic with rice or maybe some tortilla. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so I've got some chicken legs here. Simply what we're going to do is we're just going to get some salt and pepper on there, and then we're going to just get over to the cooker and fry these off. So just a little bit of salt on there. I've got like 6 of them in here at the moment, so a generous amount of salt and pepper. On that goes. And I'm just going to give this a little mix, and then I'll see you at the cooker. Okay, so I've got my pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you wanted. And we're just going to drop this chicken in. And we're going to cook it, these size ones. I mean, they're not massive, these legs. But yeah, we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes aside. And just, turn them often on a kind of medium heat. See you then. Okay, so I've just turned the heat off. As you can see, we've got some nice colour on those. Out they come. Now what we're doing is just getting a nice bit of seasoning and colour on them. So if they're not cooked all the way through, don't worry, because we're still going to be doing a little bit more cooking. So we'll set these aside, and then we're going to move on to the next step. But they are looking beautiful. So what I've done now is I've drained off, reduced this oil down quite a lot. We're going to need some of this oil because it's got some lovely flavours from the chicken in there. Really simply, we're going to get some onion. I've got like 1 decent size red onion that I've sliced. And then I've got some garlic chopped. Nice hefty amount, like a nice tablespoon of that. Lowish heat. Let's just cook this around for about 4 minutes. That's wonderful. They're just sort of gently cooking away there. What we're going to do now is add in some kidney beans. Now I'm using a can, and if you're using from a can like me, wash them really nicely in some cold water. And I'm going to add in some spices. Let's just take a look at those. So we've got a teaspoon each, or equal parts each, of sweet paprika, oregano, cumin and chili powder. In that goes. Fantastic flavours those 4 make up. Those 4 spices are really wonderful together. I'm going to get 1 can of tomatoes that I've chopped. In that goes. Give that a mix. And we're going to stay on this kind of fairly lowish heat. And we're going to go now for about 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, and that's looking absolutely wonderful. Just really simply, what we're going to do now is drop our chicken back in. And any juices that come out from them. And just leave that on the top, the chicken like that, lid on. Staying on this kind of fairly sort of lowish heat, not a simmer, above a simmer. Let that go now for about another 6 or 7 minutes. We're pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, and out goes some steam. And that is looking fantastic. Now, I didn't add any salt or pepper to the sauce because I think I've got enough on my chicken, but you can definitely add a little bit if you want. Simply, we're going to finish this off with a little bit of chopped fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, wherever you come from, and that's it. Really, really easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.